everybody. Here at Pine Ridge Campgrounds, Pounds Hollow. So this is where you pay and get to enjoy your fee. So there's a deer right here on the other side of this tree, right here at our campground. Hanging out right back here. I guess he's eating. It's kind of wild. So we saw one not too long ago too, right on the trail, right here next to the campsite. Doing some brats and grilled cheese on the fire. Until I got a little toasted. That's not too bad. We got our humble little abode for the night, so that'll be alright. You can go either or. If you want to read the signs, you can read the signs back there. Here at Garden of the Gods State Park in Illinois, watching the sunset. Beauty at its finest.
Where's everybody gathering up there?
Hey, back at the campsite, so got a little fire going. It's fun. I'll be heading to sleep in a little bit, but it's not too bad. What'd you say?
I'm not the fire.
You're not the fire. Show them the fire. I'll show them the fire again.
Yeah. Again.
Yeah.
Oh.
Humble little abode. Not a whole lot going on. It's got some neighbors. Got our little setup. And a whole lot of darkness. So that's our little thermocell mosquito repeller. Keeping mosquitoes away. It's not too bad.
Hopefully.
Haven't had any yet. Of course, it's a cool night.
How do you know if you have mosquitoes or not?
Good question. If you get bit.
I don't ever feel them.
Oh, they love me. I'm like nature's candy for mosquitoes. Good morning. Nice quiet morning in the tent. Got all the hippie dippies outside up till about midnight playing their thumpy music. Once that got over and they calmed down, it was a good night's sleep. A lot of wind. It's about a cool, breezy 60 degrees or something outside. It's not bad. So using a cheap little about $80 with the pole, $60 without. River Country product. Oh, it's like a Trekker 3 TP. It's 4-person. Not too bad. I've tried it at home a couple of times. Slept in a thunderstorm a few weeks ago. Leaks from the seams a little bit. Even though I did some seam sealer on the outside and some silicone spray. I mean, get what you pay for, but overall it's not bad for the price. Quick little family tent. Only weighs about like 5 or 7 pounds or something. It's not too bad. So, it's light. It's kind of bulky, but it's, easy enough to carry, bring in. Set up the pole with the little center adapter. Just use the 2 trekking poles they've got. Take the handle sections off, and you have this little center coupler that goes in there, and then comes all the way down. So the sleep was good. Have our 30-degree hammock gear quilt and some 32-degree Western mountaineering summer light and caribou sleeping bags. Sleeping on Equinox light cots. They're about 2 pounds, 12 ounces. They're not too bad. Try to pack relatively light for family camping. It's got a regular campsite. I wasn't sure if we were going to find one. So I've got these Thermarest pillows. They've got like foam chunks in them. They roll up into their own little soft velvety cases. Yeah, I'll take a shout out to Dan Becker for once. I'll give him kudos for recommending these. They're not too bad. Then I got my standard polyester fill Cabela's pillows. They roll up into a little case too. They're not too bad. It's a lot more comfortable than using an air pillow. Tried many of those and they don't work very well. My down hammock pillows work pretty good, but they're way too tiny. But for something that's compact, you can roll up, put it in your backpack. These aren't too bad. Have 2 of them, just get enough height and be pretty good. I have a secret I want to tell you. I see dead people. she's not dead asleep. But they are. Good morning. Yeah, morning person. The piney woods. Hey baby, it's 7:45. I feel I'm in the mood. Good morning, beautiful. Get up, get some breakfast. And we get packing and maybe take a cold dip in the water later. Man, these beds are squeaky. They're still sleeping. Hello. Elms Hollow. Gonna get wet. I'm not getting that. I'd get too wet. So here we are at the Shawnee Outpost. Got a nice hot dog. Boys got some nachos. We've got a couple more Chicago dogs.
And root beer. Ice cold root beer. There's so much ketchup on this, oh my god.
Hey everyone, I'm here with my favorite outdoorsman, Sasquatch. Well, actually, outdoors woman, because it's Sally Sasquatch. Hello! Hello! See? Bracelet. It's awesome. Hello! So, yep. Nice little tourist attraction out here, Shawnee Forest, so. Alright, catch you in a bit. Here at High Knob picnic area. Grill. One-way road getting up here. You have to go through a horse camp and you keep going back through it and eventually you get up this little one-lane road past all these trailers and stuff. And
wow, so uncommon.
So hiking a little part of the trail. Checked it out. Circle around coming back. So 105 behind knob. That's not too bad. A little rustic. Coming back up towards the parking lot. This came down the wall. Got a little area down here. Hike around. Kind of follows not much of a path. Might be an animal path, if anything. This follows along the bluff rocks a little bit. Neat little rock formations out here. Oh, that's neat. Beautiful rocks. All right, so here's High Knob Overlook Picnic Area. So horses not allowed past that point. Over to the right, it's part of the River to River Trail. It says it goes to Camp Cadiz. Come back. We've got a tiny little parking spot. There's a little fire ring back there too, so watch out. And there's a little part of the River to River Trail back here that says it goes to Garden of the Gods. And down that direction actually is where we come from. That's down around the High Knob Horse Camp, down the hill from here. Walking up the hill, there were 3 sections of little bitty trails out here. There was a 105A and a 105, I think, T. There was one we passed when we came back down. We were leaving the picnic area that we're going to go check out. Off to the left, looks like it had some rock formations. I'm going to go look a little bit, just see what we can find. So here's a section, 105 and 105A. So those are the 2 trails primarily that we're seeing up here. Nice little stone staircase. Just gotta be careful where you walk. Some beautiful, beautiful rock formations. moving there. Big crevice in these rocks. Probably find a cougar in there. Nature's candy, horse scoobers. River to river trail. Beautiful out here. Nice little path you can go through. Yes, he did. So this is a cool hike. A lot of beautiful rocks and stuff out here. Beautiful. It just keeps going and going. Oh, little snake down here. Look at that little guy. Came right up on him. Sneaky snake. Gotta watch out for that in these backcountry trails. I would say a little bit of trail magic, but somebody done beat me to it. It's an empty bottle. It's beautiful down here. All these bluffs. All these beautiful rock formations. It's awesome, man. You guys ought to check it out. It's beautiful down here. Coming back to the staircase. Go back up. Out at the road. Well, that was fun, y'all. Guess we'll see what's up next. Everybody, thanks for watching. Hope you had fun. See you again outdoors.